wait till I get my money right.
Yeah, am I enchanted by this rodent race? For this cheese, if you poison lace. Get on my knees for $1 million. When old school records and my jewels with brilliant cuts. Nah, see I don't need that, believe that. Expensive taste, I ain't trying to feed that. These things you worship like a preacher's sermon. They just ego serving. Cause when you gain confidence in self, then you'll find that you will just accomplish wealth. You can shine without a polished watch's help. Stop trying to be cool and let the ego melt. Nah, you'd rather keep up with the Joneses. What you don't know is the Joneses got themselves $1 million loans to maintain appearances. They stay in debt that look like money. I save for that